chiropractor. Look at that.
What?
Have it next door.
She's like, chiropractor.
What are you gonna be, doctor, professor?
Yeah,
Wow, you ready?
I'm here.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Ooh, I heard that one. Oh my God, that's dangerous.
Okay, here it is. Here's her square up the thing, I think. Test you.
It's in your head. There's something there. Breathe out.
And girls should be both these hands. Uh-huh. Yeah, you'll see.